This is one of the largest cakes in the world. It takes 3,000 eggs to make a cake. Before opening for business each day, workers crack 3,000 eggs and separate the whites and yolks. It's rumored that the secret to delicious cake is not adding any water, just eggs and butter. Place the egg whites in a blender and add the salad oil and sugar for added flavor. While the machine is running, add fresh milk and butter to the egg yolks and mix well. During this time, mix low-gluten flour and chocolate powder, filter through a strainer, and add a spoonful of sweet chocolate sauce. It's rumored to be a secret recipe from Michelin chefs. The delicate flour makes it easier to create a deliciously soft cake, while the chocolate sauce adds sweetness. After mixing the chocolate batter with the fluffy egg whites until the batter turns brown, workers begin hand mixing to ensure the cake is extra soft. Then, the batter is poured into molds, gently pressed and stirred to reduce graininess. Put the cake in the oven. Bake for 2 minutes to let the surface solidify. Take it out immediately and sprinkle sweet chocolate chips on the surface of the trembling cake batter. Bake again for 20 minutes, and the big cloud-like cake is ready. After strict slicing according to Michelin standards, sweet cream is added. A gentle bite is like eating cotton candy. Would you like to try it?